Hello trader, how is it going today? Have you joined the train as I advised you in one of my videos on January 10th regarding Euro USD? I hope you did good money since then. JP Morgan, the billionaire, once said that millionaires don't need astrologers, but billionaires do. He thought there was more to the market than timing, and he used astrologers to help him guide in that timing in his businesses and investments. Do you think the guy was wrong? In this video, I will tell you a bit about the planet of wealth and success, and at the end I will tell you about a great event in the sky that will bring great turmoil on the markets very, very soon. It's just around the corner. A lot of surprises await us, so let's start the rock and roll. In my previous video, I told you about the conjunction of faster planets Mercury, Venus, Mars and Jupiter. I haven't mentioned yet, but Jupiter is considered as a planet of wealth and success. The planet Jupiter in Vedic astrology has a pretty great significance. It's considered as an auspicious planet that makes people rich, commanding, wise, spiritual, educated, cultured, liberal, and generous. The planet Jupiter is one of the biggest planets in our solar system. The planet is also said to be highly spiritual. Jupiter transits often means changes of the trend. This was the case, for example, during the conjunction of Mercury and Jupiter on January the 2nd. Where is January the 2nd? Here we go. That's the conjunction. We got Jupiter here. We got Mercury here. This is January the 2nd, 2020. As you remember, the market collapsed. It's here, somewhere here. That's 31st of December, and on the 2nd of January, the market started falling. So another one. It was just after Santa Claus rally, which began over here in December. All December, you remember, there was bam, bam, bam. The market was rising, and here was this conjunction of Jupiter and Mercury. Earlier, we had the conjunction of Jupiter with Venus on November 24th. November 24th was somewhere here. What is 25? This is 24th. So 2019. You can check all other conjunction if you please and see that Jupiter really let you make good money. Well, I'll tell you now about the nearest conjunction of Jupiter that will take place soon, but I must tell you earlier about an importance of astrological event, very important. This is going to take place right now. Let me show you this lovely baby. Here we are. So let's go to today's date. If you don't know how to go to today's date on Astrolog 650, you just press right Alt, and keeping press right Alt, you press N like Natalie. And here we go. The situation is as such. Today is February the 2nd, it's Friday. Here we got planet Venus. Planet Venus is very close to the transit between the zodiacs, between the Pisces and Aries. What will happen right tomorrow? Look here. Tomorrow Venus is just on 0.268 and still today is on 359. So tomorrow is ending the whole cycle of Venus. The beginning of cycle started, I've got it here. Is it here? No, it's not this one. It started on as far as I remember, on April 24, 2019. And April 24, 2019, I got it marked here. That's the one. The market made a bottom a day later and then started rising. So that's another conjunction, another transit of Venus from Pisces to Aries from last year. So on Saturday it will be that event, astrological event. Last time when it happened, let me show you. Last time when it happened on 13th of January, which is here somewhere. Where is 13th of January? The 16th, somewhere here was 13th, exactly. Personally, I made a couple of pips on that. I know 50 pips, but it was okay. And this event on 16th of January was the great event, it was I told you in one of my previous videos, it was 6th cycle ended over here of Venus, and 2 cycles of Mars ended in this area between 14 and 18 of January. That's the reason why this market started falling and is still falling at the moment. Well, so what we've got over here, the next event, the most important, Venus was one, but I want to tell you one more thing. We are here on February the 8th today, but let me show you with Jupiter. This is Jupiter. I show you what's gonna happen very soon. Very soon. It's not that far. It's such a big event that I'm speechless. It must happen something really important over here. Look at this. We got conjunction of Jupiter with Mars. Pluto is we got here 293, 292. So it will start something like 19 of March. It will start. You see, Mars 291, Jupiter 292, so it's less than 1 degree difference, so the conjunction starts this time. So this is a part of the event, and it will last from 19 to on 20th. It will be conjunction, straight conjunction. The planets will be very close, and on the next day, when you see we are in a 293 degree is Mars, 293 degree is Jupiter. It's on the 22nd of March. And still 294 is Pluto. We've got 3 planets conjuncting. And another event, look at this fella here. This is Saturn. Saturn's got a very, very long period, and it's not happening every day. When Saturn is passing from Capricorn to Aquarius over here, 294 degree, as you see, Pluto is, we are Saturn here, 299 degree, 99.2 on Sunday, March 22nd. So it will start from Thursday, I think, from 17, 18, 19. And what is still the most important from the numerological point of view, it's extremely important. Let's change display settings on zodiac positions. It's incredible, guys. Look at this one. On 20 March 2020, Mars will be 22 Capricorn, Jupiter will be 22 Capricorn, and just 2 days later, on 23rd, again we get March 23rd, Jupiter 23rd Capricorn, and Mars will conjunct Pluto over here. In the next couple of days, Mars conjuncts Saturn exactly on 0 degree Aquarius. So it will happen. It will be incredible. We've got 2 crazy weeks beginning from, I say, 16th, 17th of March, and it will end up at the end of March, beginning of April. Look at this. Jupiter 24 Capricorn, Pluto 24 Capricorn, still 3rd of April. Unbelievable. It's so big event. And still another thing, let me go back. Look here, the Sun is just getting into Aries. Spring begins. Check what happened last year when the Sun get into Aries from Pisces. And plus those crazy events over here. I don't know. I'm going to stay away of the market for 2 weeks. Wow. The next big event that can shake the financial markets in 2020 I want to show you is oh my god, it's too long already, guys. Before I'll tell you about the next important trading events in astrology and on the market, watch my other videos from this series. And in the next part, I will give you more great trading timing tips. If you enjoyed my video, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.